When the student is ready, the teacher appears. This is something that you're going to hear in the next succession of videos that I am sharing if you feel the calling to become a healer. If this video has stumbled upon your feed, or you have already been following me and you're feeling that inner calling to become a healer, this is the second video in a series of videos about Reiki and becoming a healer. And in this video, this is Reiki for self-healing, and it's the first step to actually becoming a healer. If you missed the first video, please go back and watch that, because it's important that you watch each video to take you to the final step, the 6th video, possibly a 7th video, which will be an add-on that you can incorporate into your life to become a healer. These videos are for activation and initiation to become a healer. So the first step to becoming a healer is self-healing. When I became attuned to Reiki over 2 decades ago, I underwent a transformational change. By the end of it, I was not the same person I was at the beginning. And I want to preface here that if you're expecting to just become a healer and just start healing other people, it doesn't actually work that way. You can just stop watching the video right now. It actually starts with self. I had shared in the previous video, physician, heal thyself. We have to be a clear channel in order to be of service and to assist others on their healing journey. So this video is going to be about healing yourself, and it is actually the first step to becoming a healer. So back to when I went through my process, I will be honest with you, I got attuned to 1st degree Reiki. There's 3 levels. There's Reiki 1, Reiki 2, Reiki 3. I've got my diplomas hanging on my wall. I got Reiki 1 in 1996. I thought, okay, I'm just going to get attuned, and I'm just going to feel the love, and I'm just going to start healing everybody. It actually didn't quite turn out that way. My experience was that I actually had to clear a lot of issues that I had or were going through, whether it was through childhood. During that time, I was in my just little mid-20s. I had a lot to learn. And so what happens with Reiki is it actually accelerates your healing process. So you're going to go through a period of probably not feeling so great. I know the first few days I actually had a headache. And at first I couldn't understand why I was getting a headache. But then all of a sudden I clued on after about the 4th day. Oh, I got attuned to Reiki. I'm becoming a clear channel. So what in essence is going to happen is you are going to experience what I call a purge. And once you've plateaued or you've healed the necessary things that needed to be purged and let go of, then that is when I actually went out and I started placing my hands on other people, asking for permission, obviously. I mean, after that, I just wanted to touch everybody. I wanted to heal everybody, but you need to ask for permission. So I want to just let you know in advance that becoming a healer, again, in the Bible, I brought this up in the last video, physician, heal thyself. So the first step to becoming a healer, you need to take the time to start healing yourself. And there are particular hand positions in Reiki that you place on yourself. They're the universal hand positions. They are the basis for all of the other Reiki positions. So when you do these positions on yourself, you'll know going forward that you can place your hands on other people in those particular positions as well. So what I want you to do, again, the first step to becoming a healer is activating and initiating your hand chakras. Believe it or not, we do have 7 chakras. We also have chakras above our head. We have chakras in our feet. We have chakras in our ears. We have chakras below our feet, but we're not going to get into all of that. We're going to activate our chakras just like in the first video. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your hands and you're going to rub them together with the intention of activating and connecting to Reiki, which again means universal life force energy. If you missed the first video, please go back and watch it. I don't want you to miss any of this because each one compiles on top of the other. So you've rubbed your hands together and now you're going to feel the energy within your hands. Again, comment below. Tingling, warmth, pulse. What energy are you feeling? Comment after, don't do it right now. The first position is your crown chakra. You can do this laying down in bed. You can do it at night before you go to bed. You can do it first thing in the morning. Take some time every single day. Self-care is critical. You're going to start feeling energy. The next chakra is your third eye. You're going to place your hands directly in front of your third eye. Just allow the universal life force energy to flow through. Now you can't see me, right? I feel like I'm playing peekaboo. And then the rear chakra, you're going to place your hands behind your head and you're going to put the energy in there. I don't want to go too quickly, but I don't want to go too slow. You'll get the idea. You're probably going to heat up. I'm heating up right now. I've been doing this for over 2 decades, but it still has the same effect. Throat chakra. Feel the energy. If you feel cold, that's an indication that there's probably a little bit of an energetic block there. That's okay. Don't try to analyze it. Our conscious mind wants to analyze what's going on. Don't try to do it. Throat chakra. Rear throat chakra. So you're essentially doing all your chakras front and back, okay? If you're not aware of what chakras are, they are vortexes of energy that when healthy circulate in a clockwise direction, unhealthy counterclockwise. All right? Then your heart, I showed you this in the first video, sacred space within your heart. All right? Feel the heat, feel the energy. Some people kind of get dizzy when they first start doing that. That's okay. Just breathe through it. Rear heart, a little bit more difficult. But again, your rear heart. The amount of time it would take to do this is the amount of time you're watching this video right now. You don't need to sit and do it for an hour, okay? My Reiki sessions with my clients, however, they are an hour because I incorporate the Reiki as well as the psychotherapy and body psychotherapy because the body speaks the mind. Now you're going to go to your power center. Notice what you feel. Feel what you feel. Rear power center. Again, don't want to go too fast. Don't want to go too slow. Belly button. Sacral chakra. All right, your sexuality. I don't mean sex. I mean who you are. All right, feel the energy. Take note of what you're feeling. Rear sacral. And then your perineum area. Just feel the energy. I'm not actually touching my perineum area right now. You can hover over it. When you feel inclined to do it with clients or friends and family, ask for permission if it's okay to touch the individual. Some people are not comfortable with touch, and you don't need to actually touch them. The energy will flow through even if your hands extend that far out, okay? So you're going to do that for yourself. You're going to bring the energy, universal life force energy, out through your system. Play some music in the background, Hertz frequency music. I like 528, so it's a love frequency for self-love. Once you've completed it, take some time, drink some water, some breath work. And this is, in essence, is an activation and an initiation for your calling to become a healer, okay? And I recommend you do this once a week, minimum, okay? I try to incorporate it every single day. Some days my days are too busy, but then I find I'm just feeling a little scattered. The last thing I want to share in regards to that is all of my students, my Reiki practitioners, I do give them this book. And it is The Essential Reiki by Diane Stein. Absolutely phenomenal book. If you have the call to be a healer, I recommend getting that book, okay? On that note, comment below what you're feeling, if you noticed a shift, okay? And if you have had the call to be a healer, stay tuned, like, subscribe, comment, and share, because next week we're getting into number 3. And let's just take a quiet moment here, okay? Blessings, love, and light. I will see you next week, okay? Namaste. Take care. Bye for now.